What's up, family? Today I'm going to actually show you guys how to deposit money through Bitcoin on Cash App to your broker's account. So, of course, you would click deposit, select the wallet, USD, select type, Bitcoin, then the amount to deposit, redirect me to payments page, right? Copy the clipboard, then you're going to go over to Cash App. Click this line, click buy Bitcoin, the amount. Go ahead, confirm that amount. Bitcoin has been purchased. Click on the home button or where it shows your balance. Click Bitcoin, then you're gonna withdraw the Bitcoin. See, right underneath withdraw Bitcoin, it says BTC available. So enter that number. Then withdraw Bitcoin, enter manually, then paste that Bitcoin code. You have successfully initiated a Bitcoin withdrawal. Once you get to KOT Forex or whatever broker you have, in the top right hand corner, you will see a wallet. That wallet should say $0.00, but it will change after the Bitcoin is received by the broker. And that is how you deposit Bitcoin withdrawals. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to actually put money into your live account once it gets to the broker. So you're going to go ahead and go to internal transfer, select transfer type, wallet to MT4, select from wallet USD, select to account, right? Then you put the amount and request transfer. Transfer was successful, and now your money should be in your KOT or in your MetaTrader 4 account, and it should show the balance difference.